So this is a room tour of room 38729 at Palazzo Hotel and Casino at the Venetian in Las Vegas. And this is the Palazzo, it's kind of their base room. I think they call it a luxury king suite, and this one has a sphere view. Now we've been living here for 3 days now, so it's got our stuff in it, but it's just been serviced by housekeeping, so hopefully it's in not too bad nick for you. Bathroom on the right here, so you've got a dressing table there, toilet in here with your handy phone, of course, double sinks, TV up in the corner there, a tub, but it's pretty small. I would say this is probably the most dated element of the bathroom, particularly this shower. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it per se, but yeah, that shower head hasn't ever been changed, I don't think. But it's all very clean. And then in the main room here, the bed is ultra comfortable. Now, we recently bought a new bed. We've got an emperor-sized bed at home, which we spent an insane amount of money on, actually. And this is not too bad in comparison. It's actually almost comparable to it. Both inside, I mean, this is probably a Super King. I don't know. It's probably not Emperor, not quite Emperor, but it's not far off. But it's got a fantastic mattress. So it gets the Bridger seal of approval for sure. And obviously hanging space and safe in there. Massive LG TV. These are just your drawers for your clothes, etc. And I think this is a standard in these rooms, is you kind of go down into the living area. It's almost on 2 levels type of thing. Nice big settee there. Workstation in the corner. Seating area. Light's nice. And then another TV. Got some chargeable items there and chargeable items in here, but there is a small bit at the top there, if you can see, that you can put your own stuff, which is useful for the odd can of Coke. And as I said at the outset, this is a sphere view, so obviously you would expect a nice view of the sphere. And it's been very entertaining to see how they change it all up and how it changes throughout the day. I do love it. And you've got a great view actually of the Wynn Golf Course as well. Now these windows are actually very clean. If you can see some marks on them, it's actually my hands from me taking photos of the view for the vlog and thumbnails and everything else. I was actually very impressed with how clean the windows are. So it's on the inside rather than the outside, is my point. So yeah, while you're not seeing the strip here, I think this is a nice view. I do. But you do need to pull the curtains at night, because at 6 a.m. every morning the sun comes up over that mountain in the distance there and absolutely blinds you if you're lying in bed. It comes straight through the window and over there. But anyway, I got 4 free nights. This was a comp match from MGM Rewards. 4 free nights. I got 250 resort credit. They wouldn't match my free play, but they did waive the resort fees at the back end on the basis of my gambling. So it was a totally free 4-night stay with some resort credit. We charged everything back to the room. I reached the sapphire status of their players card, which I think I got about 4,500 points, something like that. So that's pretty good. I'm sure that's probably enough to get another comp offer down the line. And I think we had about $350 of food and beverage on our room, and we were left with $100 only. So the whole 4 days cost me $100 in food. The rest of it was all knocked off. So I call that a win. So a very nice room, even if it's an older hotel, kind of 20, 25 years old, whatever it is. They maintain it impeccably. Everyone's been very friendly. The housekeeping's been excellent. So it's thoroughly recommended. Speak to you soon.